Can you wash your hair? I can wash my hair. Can you wash your feet? I can wash my feet. Can you wash your face? I can wash my face. Can you wash your knees? I can wash my knees. I can wash my hair. I can wash my feet. I can wash my face. I can wash my knees. This is the way we take a bath. Can you wash your shoulders? I can wash my shoulders. Can you wash your toes? I can wash my toes. Can you wash your hands? I can wash my hands. Can you wash your nose? I can wash my nose. I can wash my shoulders. I can wash my toes. I can wash my hands. I can wash my nose. This is the way we take a bath.
For today, thanks for watching. See you in our next video.